let's say this candidate press, after that it won't allow the other candidate to press the button, and it will just keep on this buzzer and this red color indicator till the time the reset is not made by the master. Reset. Did you know the fastest human brain can process a question in just 0.13 second? That's why top companies are obsessed with quiz buzzers in their hiring process. This I have built in my garage. Forget about those old school buzzers. This is new 5-player system is so advanced. It's changing how schools run competitions. The best part is you can build it today. Now I'm going to show it's working, how it is working. So first of all, these are the 5 bullets which will be placed in front of the candidate, and these are the 5 input for 5 candidates which will be placed in front of those candidates, right? And these are the relay. So I'm using 6 relay, although it's 5 candidate quiz buzzer, but I'm using 1 relay extra because I have used 2 relay module over here. So 2 relay over here in this module, then 2 relay here in this module, and 2 relay here in this module. But you can use the 6th like relay as well if you have any requirement for that, because I have done the programming for 10 candidate over here, right? And this is the transformer which will convert AC into DC, and this is simple 8051 circuit board. So this is just processing the input from these candidates and will activate the relay, and correspondingly these bulb will be on. And this is the buzzer which will be activated as soon as any candidate will press the button. So whenever the candidate will press the button, then this buzzer will sound and this red color indicator will on, so that everyone will know that which candidate has pressed the button. Now let me just show you how it's working. So as soon as, let's say, this candidate press, after that it won't allow the other candidate to press the button, and it will just keep on this buzzer and this red color indicator till the time the reset is not made by the master, right? Now let's say this candidate press the button. Now if I'll press other buttons, nothing is happening. But as soon as the controller, or you can say the master, will press this button, then other candidate will be allowed, like this one. Nothing is happening. As soon as the reset button will be pressed, then the other candidate will also be allowed, like this. Reset. So this is how this 5 candidate quiz buzzer system is working. It's very innovative idea, and doesn't matter you are like in a school or college or company, everywhere this project is being utilized.